Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are good. So today we are going to make healthy suji appas. So this is my grandma's famous recipe which is healthy and delicious to eat at the same time. Talking about ingredients, we have is ginger, coriander leaves, 2 chopped capsicums and grated carrots. Then comes yogurt or dahi and chopped onions. Well, the main ingredient here is about 300 grams of semolina. Then comes the spices. So these are all our ingredients to be required. Veggies can be of your choice. So let's get started. First of all, we'll be adding curd into semolina or suji and we have to mix it well. We can add some water to ease the process of mixing. After mixing it well, we'll keep it for 45 minutes to 1 hour to give it time to ferment. So now it has been approximately 1 hour since my grandma left it to get ferment, and this is how it looks. Well, this is what we all want. So now we will be mixing all our vegetables. So this is our grated carrot. Then we will be putting our chopped capsicums. And here comes onions. These vegetables give our dish a beautiful colorful look. Further, we will be adding ginger, chopped and paste. So after mixing our vegetables well, now comes the time to add spices, which is salt, red chili powder, green chili paste and amchur. Last but not the least is coriander leaves. Now we have to give it a good mix again. And it is a healthy snack because it has lots of vegetables in it. Now to give it some puffy appearance, we'll be adding Eno in it. You can also add some baking soda. The choice is yours. The work is just the same. Here I have preferred Eno, and we'll be adding now some water and then again mix it. To give our appas a perfect shape, we have taken this kind of pan which is easily available in the market, and after greasing it with desi ghee, in this case we will be putting a batter. Between, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Keep greasing them with desi ghee, otherwise they will be dry and the taste won't be that nice. So we have to cook them till they give us a beautiful crispy golden brown color. And here our crispy healthy appas are ready. You can serve it with any kind of sauce. Here we have served it with homemade imli chutney. Now you all can see its beautiful golden brown color. Now let me show you that this is how it looks: beautiful, colorful and of course yummy.